Hello and welcome to my 28-inch city commuter video. I am in pedal assist 1 in 6th gear and I'm doing 12 miles an hour. We're going to pump it up to 2nd pedal assist. Howdy. I already know what it's going to do. It's going to do 16 miles an hour. And I got to tell you, this is a 28-inch city commuter, brand new, just purchased in Fort Myers. I've got all my helmet on and everything you're supposed to have. It did not come with a bell, so I added my happy camper bell. But I had them perform the upgrade to make this bike capable of doing 28 miles an hour, and it will. So I'm in 6th gear. When I switch to 3rd, 6th gear, pedals kind of fast. See my feet pedaling? And I'm doing 20. So I would probably shift to 7 or 8 here. There's 7. I'm gonna run out of street before I get done if I don't hurry. Okay, there's 4, and with me pedaling, we're 25 miles an hour. And I already know where 5 takes you. That was the previous video. I already did a full blast video. I got 94 miles on this baby. And then if you go to 6 PAS like I am there, that's throttle only. And it's kind of nice because, you know, like pedal assist for instance, you wouldn't want to be going off balance and on 5 and let it pedal assist you because it could throw you. Anyhow, that's one of my Pedego videos for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, we're at one of our favorite bicycling places. Me and Crystal. She's riding her Trek Verge 3, and I'm riding my Pedego 28-inch city commuter. And the next thing I'm gonna do is go as fast as it'll go. So I got my hat on, and I'm gonna do 28 miles an hour if I can pedal hard enough, because that's what it's supposed to shut off at. But here goes. Gonna start out slow and work my way up. We're at the end of Niles Road. Okay, I'm going to 8th gear. Here's wide open throttle. 5. Okay, I'll be back, hon. I'm gonna see if I can hit 28. I'm already doing 23. I am pedaling in 8th gear. There's 25, 26, 27. By God, there's 28. And that's crazy fast on a bicycle. I'll prove it to you. See? 28. Wow. Okay. We're gonna slow that down. Call it a successful test.